Why is this mysterious pit in the deserts of Yemen referred to as the prison of the devil? And what exactly lies hidden within it? Captured by Google Earth, some astonishing and eerie scenes have surfaced, images perhaps never seen before. From American drone strikes in Iraq to Israeli bombings in Gaza, what has been recorded includes both the extraordinary and the indescribable. Today, we will explore 10 such mysterious locations captured on Google Earth. Deep in the Sahara, a 35-metre wide stone fortress rises from the dunes. Locals call it Ksar Draa, a relic so ancient its purpose remains unknown. Two walls guard its secrets, an outer layer of stone and an inner layer of clay. Tiny windows dot the inner walls, whispering tales of camel caravans and forgotten travellers. This a shelter, a fortress, or something darker? Locals warn, avoid the Well of Barhout. Its stench alone chokes the air, but in 2021, explorers dared to descend 100 feet into this devil's prison. What they found? Caves dripping with stone pearls, dead animals, and snakes guarding secrets older than time. Why do villagers refuse to speak of it? The answer lies buried deeper than the well itself. In 2017, a US MQ-9 Reaper drone circled Mosul's Tigris River. 5 days later, 2 craters marked ISIS hideouts. But here's the twist. The drone's shadow appears in Google Earth images. Zoom in, and you'll spot a boat, a car, and figures standing where death would reign minutes later. Coincidence, or a ghostly snapshot of war? No humans, no history, just thousands of mysterious holes dotting this remote island. The culprit? Turtles. For centuries they've crawled ashore, dug nests and vanished, leaving behind a puzzle only Google Earth could solve. Behold the world's largest solar Death Star. 4,500 acres of mirrors blast sunlight at a central tower, melting salt to power turbines. From space, it's a sci-fi spectacle. But is it a glimpse of our future or a warning? May 2nd, 2011. A blurry satellite image captures SEAL Team 6's raid. After bin Laden's death, his compound was erased, but Google Earth still holds the evidence. Zoom in and see the void where history changed forever. In 2017, a shadowy structure floated on the Congo River. Illegal miners, portable gold filtering rigs. Authorities crack down, but the river's secrets, like its gold, keep flowing. October 19th, 2023, homes stand tall. November 24th, rubble swallows streets. Google Earth's timeline doesn't lie. It's a silent witness to war. On a remote Russian island, 6 square pits face Alaska. World War II bunkers, spy outposts. The Soviets left no clues, but the Earth remembers. These are just 10 of Google Earth's forbidden secrets. Want more? Smash that subscribe button and comment unlock below. The next mystery? It's darker and closer than you think.